So this SAT problem says that the circle shown has center O, circumference of 144 pi, diameters of PR and QS. They say the length of arc PS is twice the length of arc PQ. What is the length of arc QR? Okay, so if you look at these central angles that I've identified in the middle of the circle, angle SOR and angle POR, those are going to be congruent because those are vertical angles, and that means that this arc length and this arc length, PQ and SR, those are going to be equal to each other. Similarly, angle SOP and angle ROQ, those are vertical angles, so these angles are going to be congruent to each other, meaning that the measure of arc RQ and the measure of arc SP are going to be equal. So I have that indicated with the left hand and middle portion of this relationship. Arc SR and arc PQ have to equal each other, and then arc SP and arc RQ have to equal each other. Now they tell us that the length of arc PS, so this bigger arc length, which we have two of present within this circle, it's twice the length or double the length of arc PQ, so that shorter arc. So what I did is I kind of drew some dividers here. If I think of this as like the base arc that I'm going to count around the circle with, I've got one of those here, I've got a second of those here, a third from this line down to Q, a fourth from Q to P, a fifth from P to this line, and then my final, my sixth arc length from this line back to where I started at point S. I've got 6 of this arc length working around the circle's outer edge. So if I know the total distance around the circle's outer edge is 144 pi, I can divide that measure by 6 to figure out that arc length SR is 24 pi. And then if I want to know what the arc length of QR is going to be double the length of that smaller arc, and that leaves us with 44 pi.